Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to tackle about the basic functionalities of a manual transmission car. Alright, so sa manual transmission, meron po tayong tatlong pedal. Right? So as you can see, unlike sa automatic transmission, dalawa lang sila, which is the accelerator and the brake pedal. Pero sa manual transmission, we have three. So the one on the right po is the accelerator. Next is the brake pedal, which is yung sa gitna. Dun sa left side naman is the clutch pedal. So now, next thing naman na di-discuss natin is the gear stick. Okay? So, ito yung gear stick na manual transmission. So, ibang-iba sa automatic transmission kung nakita niyo na. So, sa manual transmission, so we have 5 gears in here and a reverse gear. Bigger cars, they have until 6th gear. Okay? So, para sa mga maliliit na sasakyan, usually mga hatchback, mga sedan, 5 gears lang yan. You will know that the gear is, yung sa gear stick is naka-neutral siya kapag kahit di mo inapakan yung clutch doon sa pinaka left side, is namumove mo siya left to right. Yan. So, that means neutral siya. So, ito yung handbrake. You can see if it's naka-engage yung handbrake nyo kapag ito nakataas siya. If you press this and then push it down, yun is na-disengage na yung handbrake nyo. So, pinaka-importante kapag naka-park kayo, you have to pull this up para naka-engage yung handbrake nyo. Okay? And for safety na rin. That's, for safety reasons, kaya nandyan siya. It's very important. Anyways, lahat ng sasakyan, may indicator naman. May indicator naman sila na if naka-engage yung handbrake or wala. Nandun siya, included siya. Yung indicator niya is andun lang malapit sa speedometer. Alright, so ito naman yung steering wheel. Okay, so ito yung gagamitin nyo, magmamando kung saan kayo, left or right. Okay? Tapos ito naman yung horn. Alright? Doon sa pinakaunahan, doon makikita yung speedometer niya, saka yung gas indicator, nandyan din, and yung RPM, or rounds or revolution per minute ng sasakyan nyo kapag umaandar na. Okay, so now yung gagawin naman natin is let's start the car. Okay, so unang-una is make sure na naka-neutral. So as you can see, neutral siya. Alright, next thing na gagawin nyo is punta tayo sa clutch pedal, tapos apakan natin, press it. Kasi needed yun to start the car. Okay? Explain ko sa iyo mamaya kung bakit kailangang apakan yung clutch pedal bago mag-start ng sasakyan. Okay, so after you make sure na neutral yung sasakyan, so as you can see sa indicator, ito yung indicator na naka-engage yung handbrake nyo. So gagawin nyo lang is pipindutin natin to, yung handbrake natin, tapos ibababa siya. Okay? So yun, nakababa na yung handbrake natin. Alright? So as you can see, yung indicator niya dito is turned off na. Yun, naka-turn off na yung indicator natin. Yun, start na natin yung sasakyan. Alright, so makastart na siya. Okay, so yun. As you can see, naka-engage yung handbrake natin. Ginawa ko lang yan kasi di tayo aandar, di tayo lalabas kasi as you know, tayo, enhanced community quarantine. So, hindi tayo pwedeng lumabas ng bahay. Okay? So, dito lang tayo. So, yun. I was able to turn on the car. After natin i-turn on yung car, I would recommend, no, na tsaka nyo, count nyo ng mga 5 to 10 seconds. Tsaka nyo ito-turn on yung fan. Okay? Tapos, I would recommend din na nakabukas yung bintana nyo before nyo ito turn on yung fan nyo tsaka yung aircon. Okay? Kasi sa study reveals na itong mga plastic na to sa dashboard, nag-uumit siya ng mga benzene, which is nakaka-cause ng cancer. So importante yung health natin, so avoid natin yan. Okay, so after 10 seconds i-turn on natin yung aircon. Yun, so same thing pa din. So yun, naka-turn on yung aircon. Pag naman, papatayin naman natin yung sasakyan. Pag ayos na, ang gagawin lang natin is turn off muna ang aircon. After mga 10 seconds, tsaka natin i-turn off yung fan. Alright, so for demonstration lang po to, right? So mga 5 to 10 seconds yung interval. Yun. Okay. Tapos, turn off lang natin yung sasakyan. After you turn off the car po, is just make sure na yung naka-engage i-engage nyo pabalik yung handbrake. Kasi napaka-importante nun for safety. Alright? Alright, so gusto ko lang palang i-add na make sure na naka-neutral yung sasakyan before you start. Never engage your car in kahit anong gear 1 ba until gear 5. Wag po. Dapat po naka-neutral siya before nyo isa-start yung car. Okay, the reason for that is baka bigla nyong mabitawan yung clutch pedal. Yung gear sa loob, yung wear and tear niya mas mapapabilis. So yung gear stick din madadamage, tsaka yung clutch lining niya. So let's just be safe and take care of our vehicle. Okay? Alright guys, so yun yung mga basic functions ng ating manual transmission na sasakyan. So what I've mentioned earlier, you have to press the clutch pedal before you start the car. Okay? The reason behind that is it will reduce the load of the starter motor. So mas mapapatagal pa niya yung wear and tear ng ating starter motor. And most cars na manual transmission, they will not start unless you press the clutch pedal. So it's a must to press it before you start your car engine. Okay? So yun lang yung basic natin. As what I mentioned earlier sa intro, it's during enhanced community quarantine tayo. So we can't go out sa bahay natin unless may pass. So ngayon muna is basic functionalities, tsaka na muna yung paano mag-drive, alright, nung ating sasakyan. Alright, tsaka na pag natapos na tong enhanced community quarantine. So guys, thank you so much for your time and stay safe, okay? And follow lang natin yung rules para naman yun sa sa kakabuti natin lahat. Alright? And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Shout out to all the mga Bisaya dyan. Please supportahin ko ninyo. And like my video, leave a comment or any suggestions. And of course, subscribe to my channel po. And thank you so much. And have a great day. See you soon po sa next video ko. Bye-bye.